At least it's warmer in Florida than it is in Washington. Paula Reed, thank you for that. We'll be sure to watch this closely tomorrow. For more on what we may see, I want to bring in CNN senior legal analyst Elie Honig and CNN political commentator Alyssa Farah-Griffin, who is also the communications director inside the Trump White House. Elie, as far as it comes to the classified documents case, I think it's good to have a refresher because we haven't been talking about it as frequently. But what are you going to be watching for? Because this judge specifically, we know, is operating very differently than the judge in Washington has been.
Yeah, so I'm looking for the moving chess pieces here because I think a strategy, and we've had reporting to this effect, that Donald Trump's team is going to use here is to try to move the Mar-a-Lago trial so that it blocks any possibility of the Washington, D.C. trial making it onto the calendar before the election. Here's what I mean. The current date for the Mar-a-Lago trial is late May, May 20th. If they can get that pushed back to, let's say, July, now you're looking at the Mar-a-Lago case blocking July, August, September. That just leaves nowhere for Jack Smith's other case, the D.C. case, to go. So I'm going to be looking to see how the parties are trying to manipulate, push-pull that trial date.
But do they not fear the classified documents case? I mean, if they're happy to have that one go first, does that mean they feel like that one is more winnable for them?
If that's the strategy, then yes, that's what it tells you. And I'm trying to think about this. If I was Donald Trump's defense lawyer, hypothetically, the way I would look at it is the stronger evidence. Yeah, we're being hypothetical here. The stronger evidence against my hypothetical client is in the Florida case, the documents case. It's easier for a jury to understand. He had classified documents. He shouldn't have had them. He didn't give them back. He obstructed justice. It's a neater fit with the law. The D.C. case, the January 6th case, is more complicated and a little bit of a messier fit. But your jury pool, if you're Donald Trump's team, is so much better in Florida. I mean, Donald Trump won Florida. Even if you're drawing your jury only from the southern counties, he got 40, 45%. You're going to have a way better jury pool. And let me tell you something. If I had a choice between good facts or a good jury, I practice in front of enough juries, give me the jury every time.
I want to get back